So here's one of the fat ball feeders. Now we use the fat balls without the nets because they're supposed to be a lot safer for birds. So we've got two here, and they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one and 4 in another, and they're hanging up at the side of one of our sheds. Now this is the second bird feeding station, and I have a tray here which is full of seeds, and that'll be good for birds and like pigeons and stuff. We don't really want pigeons, but they can land on it if they want, and it's like sort of some small birds can come and go and peck on it. I've also got this tub here. Now this tub originally came from Poundland, and it was £2 and it had suet and fat in it. So the birds come perch on there. Yes, perch on there. Don't know if it's going to focus, but they perch on there and they feed from there. Now it was full of fat, all suet and stuff at one point a couple of years ago, but we kept it and we're now using it as a seed station. We've got another fat ball station there, and we've also got this here, which is full of seeds, and it's got 2 perches on it for the birds. And this here, I got this online about 10 years ago maybe, and it's starting to go rusty now. Well, it's been going rusty for a couple of years, but it's full of water in this wee like container, and the water comes out ever so slowly, and it's like a wee feeding station, a water butt station for the birds, so the birds have water, and we just top that up when the water inside there goes down. Here we also have another fat ball station, which is full of, again, the fat balls that don't have nets because they're more safer for birds. We do have this RSPCA here, but we don't have any of the fat balls to go in it because it's the square fat balls or the rectangle ones that go in that, and that's the same. That's supposed to be for some like fat balls or nuts, but I've just put seeds in it. And up the top we have like a wee house. It needs fix, it's falling apart, but it's full of seeds at the moment, full of seeds. So this is the bird station. As you can see here, we are growing plants, growing some like plants to put out nice plants in the garden, and that's like a windbreaker you get at the beach. Well, it is because we bought it when we were on holiday up north of Scotland about 8 or 9 years ago. So this is our feeding station. Fat balls, seeds, water. I like doing birds. My friend in Cardonald, Elizabeth, that you've seen on many vlogs, she does fat balls too, and feeding stations and nuts and seeds. But hers is more like on trees. Mine's is like on this station. I think my dad built it. It's like hanging baskets. That's like stuff you'd use for hanging baskets, but my dad's used it for putting the nuts and seeds in. So yeah, hopefully we'll get some birds coming on it soon. We're going to start, well, I'm going to start doing it. I bought like a 20 kilogram bag full of seeds, so hopefully we'll get that sorted at some point, and we'll start using it. But yeah, I think everybody should start doing some wild bird feeds, and put some wild seeds out. I do have a tub in my room, a window box. It's like a wee sucker thing stuck onto my window. I've not used that yet, but I might fill that up soon, and maybe tomorrow. So yep, look at that. All nice and ready for birds to eat lunch. So I'm going to love these and leave these just now, and I'll speak to you all another time. Bye!